and no na ye ka hypertension on your start here and I'm di kaka say e wo hawa e di ni powder papa ku ni panso
silent killer.
Yes, e bi ku obra wanya we and na e ye nkwada ye pani and na many nipa be slaves to drugs. I am slave with nipa nti ama nipa be slaves to drugs. Say or no moduro akusi se obewu say yade de yanka nipa yare a or no moduro say de yade ni bejai but how be say hypertension they say wo no orthodox drugs wo no mo akusi be free wiase say wo no akusi be free wiase nese enken kofo wo half furu bi famra wo de a send yanka ye ehwehwemu a ya hwehwe ehwehwemu a akinye bia ni ho ye no kore say abra nipa yire ne ho no mo say nro we no na ekofa half furu bi so de aden e de abra no it me affect the kidney se kware de abeto mu say amanfo no mo aduru ba bia bo se ne nana se no wona mo a asa ye de kushi ani ayi kushi mpo bibi hyehyehye ne nanim nti otia efom a on feel comfortable e wona nana se asa ne ma bi hyehyɛ ho wow bi de kwada se mpane bi abehye ne nase odi tia fom ase odi na kutie fufu so ne nana se ho no on feel comfortable e ho nye no mama no obi ebia no mo akusi se de bia na ne nsatia no aye nam untimi ntinim okwa ne nsa ni mana ka ho untimi ntinim ebia no mo ama ne mfe oti se ne mfe ye ne ya ebia no mo ama se o liver e fact am gidi ye se pharmacist bi o beka nokore onim se asema mekan enye de mabo mitiri mu ka ana medical doctor bi o pese wo gina yankopon anim kan nokore no beti ase se de mekan enye kuntumpu na ababa toso se e nipa nyini mu babia na onye hypertension no start no maduro no na wo no maduro no na eno na meka se bia ansa na meko dia meka ne se nipa bebre ye declare so mo hypertension bra woni bi wa start no maduro Kowalski where Dr. Nikase e Japan ena ochro ngoma bi na oye ngoma no title no blood pressure cure without medication na ne ngoma no mu no ena oda hintasam bi adi de me kan se enipa bebre ho no ma ya ka chro mo so mo hypertension eso no mu ni bi mo hypertension so no mu ni bi ena o chire mu se hypertension na ebeba enso eba emritie bi ne ko so ho eba mritie bi ne ko ebeba wo sa mritia no obra pressure ne be ko soro ba sa mritia no etwamu a o se eyira na eba normal ema doctor yi etu ni di se ye frɛ no white coat hypertension WCH white coat hypertension o man fatu bebre na fatu ba ko ne se sevally do to we e bia wa kwasore dem na ye nhye wase na sofo announce say mommy and fresh sevally di na o mema vote of thanks sabre obi pikosoro street ebe kosoro e di bibi machine be so mu abonsa na mosoro adentia wo ye hwan ya no kura tagina ni padom anim kasa every day akokwa ye kura no ye nya bowdi a obi pidika kosoro wo yam hyew wo yam di ka hyew eno na doctor ne friend white coat hypertension o man fatum bebre exam room ye be sure enso hwe police ni gina gate school for ne good down me no obi abi was that apa enfa machine nkosi o mo so hwe obi abi because no nya can start work
white coat
yes and no white coat they say for short period no abesa ba normal it nya can start work me says am bia metro be bi because no kakra nya can start work and me japa na to ho ahome kakra ansa me home kakra bo sa amafo ani abrata mpaniki na me home kakra me wi a na ma posa me nsem sa ma fa pen no
and it's now posa nsem I didn't know for
me juju.
Are you?
So what the other? Saber was a bit in the cost of civil lady. I know a side example say will be our drive will be ano. But will be make cross or cross over break it. Saber the machine in Besus or BP. Astrono. First, Nadiana Dasro, certain be as systolic and diastolic. It is so no, boys say checkers have been astronomical 1.8 billion.
Oh, 1.8 billion a day.
So, what do you know? Situation will be common to me on the BP Cosro. A bina make a kind.
Yeah.
A situation will be common. Emma, a BP to me Cosro. What the cat would you be cat? Cash no train, and what catcher say a bonus here, maybe Jimmy Sika. A free 5 who could be because of that. Will be because no could be quite in hope to move from Akasa, one and a book. No, I would be in a Cosro. So, circumstance be. And that's a condition be, and my mouth will be pity me cost. Oh, Pessica could tell the fees will be do Kawaje. Okawa farmer, oh, banging now, BP was rock. Oh, banging now, BP was rock. The Bakubi can't wait. We need probably brave. If I be brave, say somebody do a bora, your friend is saying, Doctor, consulting room, I want to be because of
Doctor.
Nipa don't be brave. The woman to be with a consulting room. Yes. Oh. When the Nicola more doctor, so can I be rice? It's not be brave. I know you're normal. Say you're normal. But Sana be brave. You're very sensitive to consulting room. Don't do an answer. The BP machine is on. It's a pet. The BP on the cost. Uja ni mwa no pie anaba normal. Na hana mi bisa se. So what is last group ya meka ya. Ura consulting with BP ni kosra. The machine is so we na BP ni kosra. Wo we be declare BP patient. Obra we ni BP.
And na ma bebre na wo ni BP patient.
No, e ho na doctor ne dia asem ni free.
Okay.
So what dey no? I mean, can I was blood pressure similarly rises with anxiety and stress during everyday life. You are driving along the road and a child runs out into the street and you slam on the brakes. Your blood pressure goes up as a normal response. As a normal response, your blood pressure is better. They were no about consulting room. I am very sensitive to doctors' consulting room. All come doctor checking BP. We are going to be see. You be declared so BP. Systolic never costro. Diastolic no so be costro. You be caso a BP patient. You be start time on the drew. And you be brave. Circumstances be over fat over kwako wuremuno. E bi abawuo. Ana ekunu wuo. Ana eyiri wuo. Ana loss of job. Sa be the BP wasro. You best say manan true. Now, Obi to me say yes me have pressure. Any person who have pressure. Every human being, somebody that brought to have pressure. Yes. Now for so we be. Michele mu wi ana na busa se wo bi ana se we be. Pipe wo pipe. Pipe wo ibu ni fie. Ebi where your bathroom your kitchen and the other you put. Set. Sana so be do kitchen am wo bu ana say o bathroom am dey shower dey jare no. Pressure. Kubusa number 4. Pressure and the things so dey back. It is a pressure no lower. Mo se so ni timi papa. Ano dey. It's a pressure no e bro so a. So dey back kiki. I have found on 20. Electricity. And some of what we are at TSC best on. And the current and the so. And the current lesson is our current in good the pressure. Tis our current no lower. Bob no was power no. And swap for Bob machines are used in our best at your bonnet. Say power never so always and near money in every station. This electricity from light off. Normal at the back normal. Abro for cancer optimum level. Optimal. any part the senisivally pipelines edit the veins and the arteries, blood vessels are some America, a pipeline edit the pipeline edit again a firm, and your pipe will show the firm, and then your electricity current in the firm, name emojan firm. Emojana firmuno, and Numuna says never a moye passes never team comono, and Numuna nebiano. It's Emojano, and in a pipeline with you, every part of the body, and if you are any oxygen. It is said, if any part of the body is deprived of oxygen, I will say, oh no, I throw watch out. It did not say, in the brain, so oxygen, so if you deprive your brain of oxygen, you end up what? Contracting stroke, moving your stroke. If you deprive the heart of oxygen, you have a heart attack. So oxygen come part of the body, you are going to hold your juma. Ocean and Saxon, and now Nana is cheating. Oxygen, you can't go see what a man. Oh, man. What I say? So, proper distribution of the water. So blood circulation is perfect here. And every part of the body enjoys what? Oxygen. This proper oxygen distribution. Now, some of Mojani be move, no, said the mechano, and your pressure and then they come. Pressure and the Mojani and the echo. The Mojani pressure and they come. Sepuro so too much here. And yes, a hyper, it just was sort of dog. Say a back, a formal emperor, a hypo. You know, me a hypertension. I don't know, sir, and yet I know just a Mojano. So we are Cotois and Cotom, you know, we did Mojamo. No, no more pressure now, a move Mojam. And answer up left was a say, yes. At Sasa level, no. It's machines ya hodwa. Asaka mava ho amema azapu obi a young one. Obi a young one. Intina the pipelines no young. Flexible. Elastic. It's young people here begging a palanca tankete ba. One pipelines no flexible elastic. It is no mujani from Kama. Abra wood, you know, not more than a buffer. Pipelines no flexibility need reduce. So I say, sa elasticity no so I started perform. Blood vessels and I started stiffen. Unable to dilate and constrict adequately. So Bema Mojanity move to you ceremony to a year. None of what they are. Young of one idea. And yes, secret to my own honum, any appetition, no my own honum one. A common pipeline, and you come. But appetition, alcohol, my own honum, any cigarette on my own honum, any contraceptives on my own woman, many marijuana. Now we keep blood vessels to which was starting with your BP. Oh, it's so you're young. This is how your system goes. Now, your friend is saying, any power, Yanya, BB said, I mismanage your system. The blood pressure, I can't even know. The number catches who will be no. Some sort of my say, who need pressure and cow blood and answer eating. But I was saying at that optimal level, a person was someone back. Yes, but as a woman say, and you must play a coca, the pipelines and blood vessels in which I know. You must be to Cocano, and the Cocana Sana Fedi, a many panel, Aquapunyasa hypertension. You must play. And your mother cocky cannon, to be a idea. It be so dear. System on ano, you know, I didn't know Cocano, baby. There's no other honor, BPT, BPM Bobiso. Now, Pumutina Fona, a young fish, Munami Atias, one more group, blood pressure into two. One more primary or essential hypertension. And almost your friend is a secondary hypertension. Now, almost, sir, primary hypertension, I said. Your friend is essential hypertension, and only a can say no underlying disease, and then you're giving a buy. Blood pressure be a idea be the secondary hypertension. Yadia be na diaba. Oh, Yadia and diabano, if you put me a hormonal imbalance, you put me a kidney disorder. In short, no, that pressure be a Yadia be na diabano, and almost a young friend of secondary hypertension. But near any Yadia be na debaya. Now for 1 or 2 weeks, if you are reckless life, be a BPT and diabano, and then you have primary hypertension, no, and you are living a volcano. Now, we have when you pay your hypertension, about 20% primary or essential hypertension. One way or more, no underlying disease, and I say no obvious cause. And then this our number. And I say, I'm on the Mojano, pressure and Mojano after a certain point. Now, Osha. First one, second one, secondary hypertension. Say, I say, you're living at the back. But Osha primary one, say, you're living at the bed, and you're bedding in the bed as a need to better. And you bring the one who said a lot of factors. Factors in the dorsal. The side factors and the winning now for tobacco. When you're some. Bakuni sensibility. And a lot of young guys in your hypertension. And yes, secondary hypertension, only kidney problem, only heart disease, only any disorder, but when you have hypertension. You wouldn't want your co who say most young guys are getting hypertension today because of the use of aphrodisia. A drug venom. Yes, I'm on a bear imagine so hampe. And you could prove actually they are so a bear man. And San Rono to Duana, oh, San Rono to Duana, a distable with blood vessels, no cardiovascular system, a distable no. Because a normal system, such as a one castle moon, Wakumana, who are in a week, Wakumana, who are in a week, and Wakona Numrobia, a BB by force. I'm a Hodina Wanyano, at the Saudi, I quite say, with the Tiku. Okay, and the apple to what good. Sana, why did you? Because when you want different phobia, a switch I was common. Engine now they were to cook. Aha, Bibisa. It's when you want different phobia, a switch I was common. Most young guys are getting hypertension because of aphrodisias. How do you use? Because when you exercise, when you do it, you, when you alcohol when you exercise. But one no someone a German of Kahai, it will prove what you need. Yes, yes, Mema. So the bit level. It's not economy for this year. Not for this and a man of Modibia. And in the system, they marching. Oh, and in the system, they marching. If a brother you can't answer, and in the system, no, sorry, brother, in fact. You make out as here. Most young guys are for this year, no matter what. It's the Western Jaja, we are Drogana, no one can say. One more, which means now and also on Pemua, Droni market. And don't be about out to be and send me about out to be on Sadia and account. I didn't tell because the young guys of today no exercise. Woman did here, I'm resting under stress. I know no person was satisfied with that. To know I couldn't move through. And job is when you BP. Obeying hypertension. If you should say, I don't know. I said the command was a liar. A man in the Omo aphrodisia. Yeah, from school. If you class at GSS, contraceptives. But person when you sex. And we so penyam. When you prepare obey. Dabi on your prepare obey mother akoda. Because the resources are because obi anware no. The whole soye but na ya senso born tokum. It na ya senso born is anti na ne manum contraceptives my sex. Hey, am I na ba the contra? Contra. I almost cost one go trunk SHS if we pray. If you can't mammy the tomano. I'm a Jinaya one no. Who was at my Becca? I say what I didn't obey ye. ye baby we ase akone wo modern world ye global world ya no be ye and na guess ya som no mo no contraceptives do mo nyanyam me ya research bi on contraception oh na me juba bi be re ho e my be free menstrual disorders ya irregular menstruation ya de na dodo ana ko hu omo healthcare providers ya ni amano contraceptives e won nom na stop no or the assassin wo ho it's na be redeem my yeda mani
contraceptives no be stop menses no
we dey be marriage sex am dey babu ama wetie we koju authority upon authority say am person improve say nya me research me dey adwene any media nya media ma me etimi dey yanhwehwe mu and am tisika so to ba bia ngoma de hye bia we get it and I don't want to depend on internet kwa na afaka say internet dey obi ade bibia gu so me ko fa authority bibu professor of wine our trade or Cambridge na be ko tu na wa no akato who dey tie this researcher was say researchers have determined that taking oral contraceptives is linked with higher blood pressure and men and some women, particularly if they are overweight. It is also a major consideration if you develop a high blood pressure during pregnancy. Inti asemi ya no kure. Inti ma yenka na yenhwe ma yenuamo. Ene wo a wo ye bidu afi ye nurse. Mo kwati bia we move by force. Any hypertension by force. Researchers have determined that taking oral contraceptives is linked with higher blood pressure in some women, particularly if they are overweight. It is also a major consideration if you develop high blood pressure during pregnancy. It will be no contraceptives na do certain point of when you na pressure no so to aso. Yes, and if I don't want to have hypertension, hypertension.
What causes that? I don't know. I didn't know
contraceptives and chemicals we bring and natural. Second, chemical be a woman, hormones are hot synthetic hormones. Zeno hormones and a woman. And not yet the hormone pet. And yet the Yamiabo. So, it's a Kokuku system anymore. It is going to distort the function of the cardiovascular system. No. Chemicals in the woman. With the said, Malimusawi, Oyoba, Ibiana, when you're aware. When we say, Yenya tablets in the capsules, Oba no one as a Nipa no one, and Moya Coco. Tisami Tiwi, no me Pesaminia Cocopa, the Cotona Menomoa
tablet.
Yes, is there a and then he also be bleaching you.
Tablets now, no, I cook.
What done a cocoa? Meaning musician be a one noon be a cocoa or bar.
Amana.
Amabe, book of us, my brother.
Yanko, Amabe. Yentos.
Who's so low?
Yentos.
Why you?
Or no, also one more consider Mammy Bisan.
Can you? Who's the Nakobasa? Who said, I feel the amount, you know, I deal with bleaching. I'm a manager. I feel I had the capsules for 1 minute on no man why I could call by force. But I could see injection, yet the wall, no, I could call.
The one more panel, but then hips.
They are not serious.
And so I saw that
they are confused. When we are confused, I repeat. Say, Oko Panama or try it. And I want to catch a member to no. And no, the boy your mind, a twat in the coboy your mind. You will draw a dear they are. Or Henneba, Epifiba, see you. Yeah, remember. To 2 attention a year, and no Suban, you inquire. Get your quiz to Mamma. Soon, which are Lumobites.
Alumobites.
As is a bitters. One corn young as two, Mamma. You know what I'm saying? Let me test him daily. Now, we were told our dear Bernard towards our 20 cotton as here. Make out here. Amma, Sergeant, when you know a money disturb what you know, apart from someone taking contraceptives, or Pania Bamanaya cocoa by force. Well, fat capsules in the tablets of Manaya cocoa by force. Well, Cowan took Pania. ama ne toa ya kese obenya hypertension because hormones no aye di hwie gu body mama o to na ya kese no aye synthetic aye natural the body doesn't need it. It will turn by a cassia for a short while when you go to say, I then a mabibra, it is a Jumano. Oh, Kumase. Almost started said, Tinsuo. There's a picture as Washa. Obian or being a 2 minute twashi. You have a picture natural. The 2 in our share. Yes. Similarly, Sanya way and how many Panuya hypertension. These are some of the factors. Young people now need hypertension. Say no, the system in a condemn. System in a condemn. I dear Baco, some amount for your hypertension. I say this week you can't hypertension once. You better go see natural treatment. And you may win a chamua. See JJ, and you may hear. Oh.
The back point hypertension cry.
And I assume you know hypertension will be on your 120 years when you hypertension. Some of the papa years are poor. And what will it when you hypertension? Will you be meaning penny for the play? When you might be a funny hypertension. And you know back one. Now, so I bring know. Oh, yeah, Yama, and Fata, look to be actual.
No, for that, also, almost hypertension. I'm saying, no, why someone must be save you.
And what I know, or my minimum on the name of GD and the country natural. To say a full one near my old mammy, who put up a lot. Near my old, near my warrior, who put up a lot of nigger never can. Well, now, factors not air cost of hypertension. Some can be see. Yes, stress. Members of parliament, politicians, all my chief executives, marketing managers, radio presenters, they want to beat competition. So they are always under stress. They want to reach their target. One more target, keep the bank before. They are set a target. Manager, also beating the competitor. It is they are under stress. Stress will be a shower swag. What you mean control? What you mean your home film? Solution in Manso, a shower so bad relationship. Our dear Bonnie, relationship with Bonnie, Edin Crawford, I got too stressing. What do you take Kowalski? Because stress boosts the production of harmful substance, increase the heart rate and blood requirement, and can over time raise blood pressure and precipitate a heart attack or a stroke. Stress you. Stress your nano, but city. If you don't about 90% to be under stress. Radio presenters to members of parliament to government officials to Rupiana to bankers, city life. I have competition. I have it's a money for the blood pressure. Stress boosts the production of harmful substance, increase the heart rate and blood requirement, and can over time raise blood pressure and precipitate a heart attack or a stroke. Blood pressure can rise due to stress as well, because stress causes the walls of the arteries to constrict. Emotional state elevate blood pressure. Emotional state. Oh, Hano. Now, when you are about to crack a car, once I don't want to come to commit Mekan Proverbs chapter 17, verse 20, so they link away. I don't want to Mekan Proverbs chapter 14, verse 30. I can make Proverbs chapter 15, verse 13. I can make Proverbs chapter 12, verse 18. Yes! And someone can count about stress. When you come to the city, I don't want to enjoy hypertension or certain no mudru. I'll relax on top of Cool Mountain, on top of a crappy mountain. Our life near relax. Competition be any. Hypertension. So what do you call? I don't if I don't want any crew, we have a good cry. And I can carry a crew. and then told life there relax. He said, do Easter. Now I'm forced to have a cook. Will be a free what that book. What if I prepare as hoodie? What if I hoodie? If you can't even a TV back, no competition. Maybe I have a traffic book come to the city. Sabra make us say, stress your tube on traffic. Or Davos are the channel. Or Davos are the channel to bring hypertension. To do if you are not a BP through. The next one. Anger, Ebufu. Ebufu, Medipenya, hypertension. And we go to Kowalski, where your comparison be what the blacks, America, and what the two whites and was trackish one more hypertension. The cocoa who said blacks and all, hypertension more than the whites in America. And about South Africa. And South Africa also no. Whites no hypertension more than the blacks.
Daddy, what happened?
We be busa, I have no busa no another than we can busa. We just see out.
I'm wondering, US no.
Yes.
No. Black Americans or more hypertension more than the whites.
Yes.
And
when you go to when you go to Western world, such as Germany, and other places.
Yeah. And now back South Africa no. Blacks now or more than but whites now South Africa.
Yes.
More hypertension was true.
Yes. Which me and Samia and I do measure 1 million.
About
100 Ghana.
Any tip for you and I am saying.
Me wanna be busa Okofa lawyer. Which me and 100 million.
Yes, sir.
100 million. 100 Ghana. Akomano apa.
100 Ghana.
Aye. Who answer me the amount? What the bear diet and I do. Me say, when you go to the Western world, I have a fully crew. Blacks and hypertension, a form of patch and whites. And I do South Africa. Abrofune before it was Abrofune hypertension form of Chewbia. With the link anger. Or share a dear amanitisa.
And blacks no more Western world, no, I don't move by heart and other.
As a master was a teacher, your test, I will be something.
I didn't know move on Western world now, about South Africa, so I didn't know pipes from Mumusuno.
His old Dojana, who teach your exams.
I said, I am
now open Quabi edge and airfield. I don't know what you teach a test. Hey, Minister, the Kobumona. Your test was what telling you, will you manage to get the connected anger? Get the connected anger.
Connected.
So we do Western world to America. Blacks and all, FSA, they are being maltreated. Injustice against them. Racial discrimination. Racism, no. The piano makuma was so bufu. The piano makuma was so. Almost face at the end discrimination against the black people. Racial discrimination. They are black in team. Abrofuni are more favored than the black over there. So it will be an omakuma was so the bufu. Into Kowalski. Kowalski. Robert E. Kowalski. Nemano was say African Americans have one of the highest rate of hypertension in the world. Because treatment na ye dema wo mo no. Amata bia na o makoma wo soro bufu. Eti abra mi wo lego. Ana me professor ka kire me say. O ka kire class ni na, ba me ka say na me say me nko a. O ka kire class ni say Black Americans na best school ha no. You know what class no. You know what they are here. They were you know a reality. But you not there. Be more feel say they are being discriminated against. Because baby will free ban. Sani aye na mana kuma. Was so sad. To be true ni kuro mo ni muse hadie. Me Africa, me so me black. Why when you na have so called discrimination? Be our cast them one hour. What attitude towards them one? Aye West. What happened? The answer come fast no more because woman we say Oma be fee. Because back to America no respect for them. So what they know. It will be an before no I was so in the same vein over South Africa. Abrofone face attitude after independence in South Africa. Can you know more white only street quite only schools, quite only supermarket, quite only restaurant. Yeah, dinner. How many before no mengono? And now, Mandela da Roma, ya mexi woman, maybe another of the like. Oma come was wrong. One more test so many before you should come back. Oma, I say, we are social TV. Maybe people for you from schools. Because you may be near Baho. It almost offers a cania, like I yeni, to move for you, mix any day. Mandela Kofa will have your brain. Any good I keep one number say. Tell you also worth. It was who could do South Africa. Abrofono, our hypertension, more than the blacks. A higher they confirm, say, a before baby, according to Kowalski, and many panya hypertension. A before baby, the Abwa myopia, as some have been good to me for papa. Now the Abwa is a more than a buffoono. So what do you know? Miss more than buffoono. Bijigapa, na make a cancer one. Make up a cancer one, your message from Huasre. Now my attention number from Kakra. So, because Miss Senia Buffona, yes, Miss Senia Buffona, fresh and a costro. It's a buffone, no media assembly with my master. My former house. Many me feel a belcom. Why did you never make Chica me penat to me minute? And the back of 2 years. Now, could I be Jamache? Family, men for a woman, no papa wants me from Colasso. It is all never quite heavy. Obi a Chica, me papa, Pacan, and no Jamache. Miss Oheba family. If I fed you, I don't fuck around the bomb. Obama meeting for Patamu. Oh, she was a contour. Oh, William, of a fellow who is about Father Banabolo was a missing the banner saying, Missino, or Bako Heavy won't could be. Telling you because too much of Buffalo, or Sakura Kulu Tessin. Makrale ba to kwale ede o afa be de ba ni kochi you see it you also stenia before too much we have hypertension e to we nipa bi atam bi before bebre e nipa ho ye na hi nche na onye bi wana mo a o ba fi so ye normal e da bi pini ba chi na gina kwan mu no na akachiri se validi ade ba ko esa ka ho aye srade nema enyane asrade aye ma so enyane asrade aye ma e do how e be cause the hardening of the arteries and as a bit develop build up plaque build up in the blood vessels na ye den they say e be tata mu no say the menka no na ama blood vessels no yes blood vessels no kwano emu be si and narrow no na ye hardened enyane a cholesterol aye ma cheese bu no sa de ma no na ya da ya me ya say obi a wo bro 50 years or that's the cheese or that's on no more 50 anybody can say you nyini a your system no cardiovascular system na ho de na ba form you say young people now what 50 or that's the cheese or that's what 20 and opa after 50 years what are you talking?
What age and what's the way you smoke? At what age and what's the way you smoke?
Oh, some paladi will be kind. Omo guri. Ono kakra uko tumrika guri fam paso ko shisha mpase ye dia kuntuma ateta ni ade ente ade are very active. Etebe boa na kakra. Enye pi. Na wo panimu a sedentary lifestyle. Utie ye fani sen Kowalski a. Enipo mu for sedentary behavior boost your risk by deconditioning the heart muscle just as much as it does other muscles in the body. It's a nipa move on your active, on your exercise. From the car, from bedroom, who's a man for garage tab in bedroom. So from bedroom one, or that air condition, or we would have garage home. We would have no powder car, and so I saw air condition, and a pass air condition. And a pay my book or no air condition or car. or free condition, you are not question office, also a condition. This is so then. When you exercise, open your hypertension, open collapse. Some are called to bank manager. You would have said so, I cannot day. Just on her condition, but they are two Eskimos for level. And we say, I stand very clearly. What do you know? And if I was on kind of exercise that. On free office work around my one team, maybe I'm one kakada. On coffee and crack, I said, me garden. On the native garden, when I want to say, and I'm garden, no crana. On coffee and castle to try the flowers, I saw that. Maybe a house help on air. Maybe a house boy in air. On two and a time, you crack the corner and Sano Craco, Abacacra. Because of your sex. Because of your sex. Why I catch us sexy exercise. Now, sex and Nakasa, who are commanding your strong one. Now, cardiovascular system in your strong. You don't have proper blood circulation. Sex no one casano ebeboa. What is so because sex we? What the urban so and who turn so. The whom is season we. And no cardiovascular system. Cardiac arrest. Because we are juma is so chana koma. Sradia added that in insulinum. On Sradia did that in them. The blood vessels now at least now a week. I hardened. And our call ye Juma and Bracoman soap. And we'll go see our bars or ban or Nafako. Oba will put in which India dancer. Obana, Nimu will put me as such an Nakuma. I feel a Miumi, and Power Nakuma stop. Oh, similar do show in Nana. Oh, any Pana Casano on your exercise. Any Pana Casano, what did you? Not why you know. And near at that age of 50, and near the best is at 50, dear, who did at 50, what does you mock? What does you cheese? At 50, why the whole way sliding up? Okay, almost say all that without it's never true. Say, and Sana be one proud also for Diabro. Say, O kidney failure, severely. Yet, nothing castle kidney no. I feel it now, me boy. Any person who kidnap failure of Nasia Kaze, met now on the move. Oh, Payaresa, it took a pure hospital near Kachos, ya do to dialysis or so. Deposit system million, ya won't pia. I don't know anyone can say, oh, me won't mean pia. I could hear what the machine so. I don't know who to that so because open crack. It means what you to me say, you must act. Then no asana be wo say the way what punish your body. Your body na kasa so fine. And no na your person won't prevent it. It's not the issue say obi emu. Obi abeusa. Emo mu no dey here man for yare ha de. Ya kachira wo say wo liver eh ho no. O liver asay em fine shen. Ya hwede wo wani abre wo. Na wakasa hwa ase wo face wo wuo. Oh, so these are some of the factors as well. A man for any hypertension. Now, me, a quite would why a bit me up wama natural way no. A big wama ye beep no, yet me a disum kunim. Because natural medicine position is a BP to me call. I repeat it, BP to me call. It can be reversed. Yes, so sending an answer maintaining because it may be a diagonal case. Orthodox medicine says it cannot be cured. It is a to me and no. I'm not against medicine. No, I know me against medicine. Yes, it will be no for life. Or brass, I had the natural way I could be on what it is. They said diabetes, type 2. Type 2 diabetes, they said, yeah. And I stand to state it again, said type 2 diabetes, me money say, in that. Oh, yeah, exercise and diabetes here bed. If you I can't because of your exercise in here. Obesity more or some so no one to mean exercise. And run out venom. But to be out to me, I exercise the power, quarter 3 times a week. Now our body, I need to be vegetables when you enough rest. What is diabetes? Can only mean who did as a cow, which is a oh, no matter who be peace. You will never be on my sister deeper. Oh, will you free? And it may be so used to the more. And you may so used to the more, no? If you know, potassium rich food. Potassium rich food. And near potassium womb. because higher potassium reduces hypertension and higher sodium aggravate or worsens hypertension. Source of sodium and ceremony salted kobe, salted fish, momone kobe, sanya mano. Now, if I say, I do call this one processed food, can't food in China, sodium, it will be our hypertension, body, canned food, or problem, because a serious source of sodium. Body chine, body kobe, body momone, bakui, kako, body kako. Any beef we are, omodin chinasi. Or the chilukuna di animal with just no we are outside the vehicle. In short, or increasing the sodium consumption. It was a beef in iOS. No consumption of potassium. Potassium, no natural source, no, vegetables and fruits. So, vegetables and fruits, it is any panel, the vegetables, no, the fruits were. One said any problem with your fatty saying potassium. Because I was also increasing the consumption of potassium. Now, no, the Babuama will be, a victim, aqua from one time. What would tree? It is about avocado, fire. You find the fire, how far to say half medium. A containing about 604 potassium milligrams. Usha garlic 529. Nina a source of potassium. Usha banana 370. A good source of potassium. Lemon juice. One doctor be can pay so big hypertension son of one for lemon. Now one chingu a glass of warm water. No one know. The first started your campaign, Tia Lemon say, Emma Osa. Lemon the better damn Osa. Me say lemon the alkaline. Eti the one you more because I acid and what bomb can chase a miss bomb. Acid the burn or come one seven. The organic acid be antibody a tended to alkaline. And alkaline and clear acid every body. It is a lemon ma Osa and Upra River. And can Osa na Baba can mean. One lemon and one man a chair. Lemon, ya musa upra, moon TV, some friend Musano. Some Miss Musan question, and the other man a chair. Lemon. That's the secret about lemon. Any as a lemon mouse, I come and smell us a PM to you. You come to me no 9 as I'm a great training, 9 between woman and one. That there's a time for me send no, me no panam, me the message no man, I'm a self. It here we use straw. And then I'm in this straw to the pain. Me to the woman of me the pain and no way. So, lemon juice, 140 milligrams of lemon bakuchia of potassium. Very good. To copiana, Osrano pan no lemon, a good woman and no. Apart from when you're cleansing with digestive system, a guapa, and vitamin C, we are strong. On just a boost to immune system. A cleanser liver, lemon, cleanser liver. Yanko palm was your French bucket. Important mushroom. Thank you. Silver mushroom, emre. And also, 414 milligrams of potassium. In other words, and also potassium. Beans, I know 416. Tomato, 214. Sweet potato, 243. In other words, a kutu pineapple, onion, watermelon, brown rice. A resource of potassium. Me point and then say, Obi wa hypertension. We hear Sanyama we. We hear Sanyama with the Abuano. I'm the BP. At least yet me up a convert for so a cleft in the system.
Yes, sweet potato, no, cholesterol. Is it true?
And yet true. Say, you Krumhano. And you might one crop one or more condemn. The Kumum no more promote. Now, said you, I dear one crop one or no more condemn. The Kumuno and no promote. It is all sweet potato, the other more because of course. I said, I'm looking for paya. Paya, avocado, a dear bakwa, and also reduce cholesterol. And the bull be so BP. It was our share, the potassium content, and now more than 600. It's a no. The amount we did on say, Ma, you people will need paya, and they say, you walk, in no view or no more. A orthodox medicine be honor. The penny MAO inhibitors. Drugs beer, or prescribable beer, or what constitutes a low blood pressure money at them. Send no more, it's so deep. So deep. And none said, Doctor, they are aware they are catching out. And the was who need dear fear papaya or can be keke, they will make the paya. Now, Bacapa and Wendy. Sabuano. It's a no son and a beer, the party, dear. A bema yakase and sese or dipaya. So one no send no one. But you utie, your friend say, Kowalski, where Japanese doctor be. And the book be about how to reverse blood pressure naturally. So, but because if you are taking MAO inhibitor, it is one of a class of drugs prescribed to counter depression, lower blood pressure, and treat infections and cancer. Avoid the chemical Tyramine and its precursor tyrosine. So, combining MAO inhibitors with Tyramine causes the blood pressure to rise and could cause a stroke. Tyramine containing food include almond, avocado, banana, beef, chicken, beer, cheese, chocolate, coffee, herring, peanut, pineapple, pumpkin seed, raisins, sausage, sesame seed, and the cacao. It is sa any other way no. A continue Tyramine. No, so what fast and rona. MO inhibitors now we said this idea and I was saying someone. So it's not my so one orthodox drugs in the tire dangerous. Because one say one or doctor no they ma no. We need him dear about saying me anyway, avocado no money, ammo, no se continue a way. And what the amount. Do Jimmy Catcher was a media pay a paya. We need media be a faster with the banana how. Because so fast I don't know. It was a no I silent. And to be that pie, no call no beer, woody chocolate. Over to say a cry, Casapana for you to be the pana for a camel. Saba, in short, no, your orthodox medicines in Broha, or no more, if in a kutumpo as a sauti. And now, woman, Nimuti, almost can't know. Wow, towards our office and in our to some eating hoodie. It's now noon, Rene at the end of your west, a focus on one vegetable. No other vegetable.
Into your process will be an alcohol hospital with the fruits ever command. And we are dependent not the fruit command and no betty, not or sign and no drugs.
Better, maybe as I don't know, no connoisseur fruit to our counter. And no, my eldest will remember who did one day. Yes, it was a near maybe they say in Pomutin or Brian, and I know no more doing a casa so I said until anything goes. It's not natural medicine for one say. Any the best of a natural. Now, orthodox be a mum. Now, go natural, Nedia. Nahano, you can't say, obey, and the other name I saw a count of one ama in Pomdina Koyi, and also with your conquer be no timid. What mean extra, what mean walk? Did the answer, Montemini, medium, the Mincomi baby. But all the same, no. Then see, quite a church and money be. And I can say, a potassium rich food, a one, and a dandelion. Well, that's it too. Now, tell the another authority so far, dandelion. What say? Dandelion regulates normal blood pressure. Dandelion purifies the blood. Dandelion prevents cancer, ulcer, stroke, hypertension, rheumatism, and skin disease. Dandelion cleanses the liver, kidney, and other organs. It's no. Dandelion, who taken in a raw form, in the form of salad, chichane salad. Obi so misano pa na matimi you know my way, I mean, they are laziness no. Who team you know we are the other way around. Chichane salad. Chichane salad na, chicha, tomatoes kaho, chicha jenny kaho. For other vegetables, say, lettuce, mokrabe kaho. So when you organic cucumber, so for one. Oh, vegetables, mananya rainbow, and your color. Color them up. Your first say, I deal with say, carrots. And no money yellow color. Tomatoes money red. Not to try jenny in swakaho. Oh, when you're getting green with colors in our soap. Now the extra virgin olive oil. And not olive oil, but extra virgin. Now the 1 tablespoon be a good salad and so. And none of you will be all hypertension pill. What tires animal we are? Control BP.
Now when you're extra virgin olive oil,
and when you're extra virgin coconut oil. So extra virgin coconut oil, extra virgin olive oil, and that's extra virgin canola oil.
Without the oils, no.
Better, don't wait me at it. Opa no chicha pa yagu salad no so. Eno no enche so obi prepare no aye. I mean, so how once what we will feel kra na wadaje a throughout the day wouldn't be bia no na di sa na ma woro no. And check your system. Akonka BP. So ho ade no. And na moringa. Na moringa no. Ne back ne boa, ne root boa, ne leaves boa, but ne leaves no. Yen dry no wo awiem. Ye dry no wo room temperature. So you powder it, over powder no. Now you just mix a teaspoon in a glass of warm water. No one. Just a teaspoon because so far the baby.
Moringa no say the leaves. They dry in room temperature. Now what dry leaves and why in powder form. Now the teaspoon. What's that teaspoon? Now they mix a glass of warm water. No one. I want more teaspoon because a laxative for your pegative, a back count. Okay, so more than the teaspoon. Yes, a bit more running. In the supermarket, I say your best or pegging the money or between line is M1. M1. 12. And the 2 near the season. Who bet you in a banner? Moringa seed. Yes, oh, Hatamano, oh, you bet you. Every door tray. Oh, what kind of seed look back here? I know, and you man also, and so you man also account, better. And then, the root to the open one with the back. Okay. Now the leaves make a crack and one cuckoo. And also another, and also pressure. What pressure, papa? And now, oh, somebody the antenna say any answer. Yes, so much can be came here and no one take you over your body. Any part of the cow was animal one of you, you know. Set one hand, now she be no. But I quite can't also. A bad boy leaves no fresh never. Moringa fresh. Yes, who's a better. Better, sir. What about mixing other vegetables? What you got? Better. Okay, it's moringa leaves, no better, no. Now they are from vegetables. Better. Said the salad, I would. Better. The patrol will be some cream, no, you have a cream and can why? Or the cream never come. Salad cream. I just say 2 more for Muntio. And they are quite chilly, the way. Small in place of the cream, no, and one fat extra virgin olive oil or extra virgin coconut oil. And one fine. You have a salad dressing. Exactly. So, okay. And then another year, a lot of what Baku a year, you have a cocoa. Yeah, cocoa powder. You have a chemical beer mixing. I say cocoa powder is the brain now. How many name I want to bring up my dear? We bring them out now. We know cocoa Nakasa original, I have him fryer. Research beer, Japanese researchers beer about cocoa. Was it not surprisingly much of the research on cocoa has been done in Netherlands, a country famous for its hot cocoa. A study of elderly Dutchmen indicates that eating or drinking cocoa is associated with lower blood pressure and reduced mortality. Kayansu they produce cocoa. And you producing cocoa and no more the chemical makes their brain. Chocolate. Your chocolate here, the cocoa content in yes, Mumuso will produce. Cocoa content about 25. Aqua 30. Nadia wa amanoneno, cocoa content is 70. And often dark chocolate, which is dark chocolate is good for. Will be our appetite. Now the tea was it the research speculate that cocoa rich content of bioflavonoids, which are potent antioxidant, may be responsible for that very desirable benefit. It contains bioflavonoids, a antioxidant, a cocoa. And no nema cocoa no to me buamo bit me conquer hypertension. Another nice thing about the flavonoids in cocoa is that they are absorbed very rapidly into the bloodstream. That might well be explained why sipping a nice warm cup of cocoa before bedtime can quickly relax you for a good night's sleep. The Kakodananya, cocoa, Bibia Kabika anymore. Niti no one makes say 1 cup, we know a bonadia quada, was it a relaxer? Because of some flavonoids in the woman, antioxidant. Was it this study came from the University of Italy, where researchers have been busily looking into the cardiovascular benefit of the flavonoids, a type of polyphenol that are found in cocoa products. So, Dr. Claudio and his colleagues, in collaboration with investigators of Tufts University in Boston, learned that flavanol-rich cocoa reduces blood pressure,
during both the day and the night in patients with hypertension. It is say na tedia. Aye then one mind to say Ghana yen. Ya wakoko or mayimo or say nothing hypertension you can call it. Ya no cocoa. Ya pedia sits in the Macau one or more. And to come on petty at the Biamujaya smoothie, Naka, and a panua cocoa, raw cocoa. And I said you no bonadia quada. Then yet the other monkey gum. And I had the chemicals, I want not. So, it's a hammer, any problem. Can your baby send hypertension doors because then you produce cocoa. I feel listen, dark chocolate. Dark. Pepper dark chocolate, not a bachelor. Now, I'm a German walker with your idea. And also conquer hypertension. 1 more 5 years, I studied the same university in Italy. No? Researchers now have been busy looking into the cardiovascular for normal shame. And one who said, dark chocolate, because the cocoa content is high, no? And also boy will be all hypertension. So, dark chocolate. It is a lot. I say dark chocolate reduces high blood pressure. White or milk chocolate aggravate high blood pressure. It's a yellow chocolate, you know, you find a milk chocolate. The other almost say 14th February, when you're in the Valentine, Mohamed in the bed also. Now, when you move fast, one way, I did not say, Ghana chocolate day, Moyam Honey chocolate Valentine. Now, of one when you BP. And when I am more chocolate. Now, when you dark one, a cocoa content here, 75. And what will be BP? Mr. Mabro, you know, I said it. Neck, never hair. It's oh, sir. It will be to me because you chocolate you good, because I'm with you now. Because I won't specify, say, dark or milk chocolate now, or can't have one seven or so one. And also Epwa. So by the back was a sabo be OBP. I never could be OBP. Juicy. Raw vegetable juice. Juicy. OBP at juicy. Juice vegetables nenom. OBP at juice vegetables nenom. You combine various vegetables. Now what juice? Vegetables are juicy in your broccoli, parsley, spinach, celery, carrot, cabbage, organic, beet, tomato, and fruits you know make me a juice for OBP pineapple, or watermelon, apple, strawberries, orange, and grapes. So now for beef pineapple, I am on your way. Offer carrot, organic one, and the land organic. So we organic here. Now offer cucumber. Now offer parsley. Now offer celery. But parsley money no some because it does a bit disturbable kidney. It uses my onion stones. Then the funny cacrebi. Offer the brass version. Now offer celery. And my son can't tell us a celery is here. No, would the jack can now produce stones over body. You produce sugar brother stones, celery, and fajaka, you didn't raw. Now they know one. So now the Spanish account. Now the beet the leaves and answer the root to Nakahon. So let no can even have no tips. No one glass. Now we have roughly there or cough farms, no cotton, no juice in the fresh. Yeah, a good market here dry. And we have one of the moon showing in Argentina. Would you zuka when you have it? Just all blended. Now the zuka craft. Yes. Now we every combined vegetables, no, almost on this. But effect in Unya. And we are no as on this. So, let's over to us in a good or ya, now we still be there. So, but I will pay the juice party as also on this. But a bit like this, I know what no, and a money money in a make us a becumu, but we just said. Oh, and apple in a come. Apple watermelon, furnival. And a strawberry, and a grapes. These are the fruits that need us to be OBP. So, it's a juicy. Juicy, you see, I never acquire a OBP. To say a cocoa, Yahoo Daddy, Yahoo Moringa, Yahoo vegetable salad. So, when you can now they will exercise one. Now, never acquire the one, a poor. Maminia, he doesn't be a hanchero. I dare find a necessity. Yes, sir. Who is also OBP? do a BP now and dance, Ria. Make us out to see Cromanas, the convention was here before coming to work as mental hospital. But Tansre, oh, it be in Ghana here, no? In the preface, you can also be a gentle and Tansre, or you live your dance, the Barbara Futuesca Cosare. And now in Western world, comedians, the West Canal, because I brought no more tears, I said, you good. And socialization. A get in the war, your all student association in the Kamo. A better now. Obi, I really school so many years, 30 years ago, 50 years ago, 60 years ago. No better, and I just make call Nabasco Host Association, and I what I was doing, and I say, Commonwealth for Host Association. All community friends. Now what to be a threat? And Obi the Kobia move. One can Kobia. I socialize here, or better you be. I know what they are saying. Now, or him out here, Mammy read a letter about a choir laughter. And what will be a walk, BP. I said the latest data indicate that laughter might be as good for your heart as running or jogging. Said yes. The latest data indicate that laughter might be as good for your heart as running or jogging. Said yeah. It won't mean no answer. What we knew could as one have been able to mean an answer. I want to about what the Piamuna. The piano be a stiff, just said. With a new ban a year hope, the American. Uncle say a year any crew to work customer yesterday. No, Mama, Diana is stiff. Oh, our Diana is stiff. Nephew Pony, I want you to wear that right. What to Hannah say? But Cynthia also come to say, laughter counters the ill effect of stress almost. Laughter counters the ill effect of stress hormone, such as adrenaline and cortisol on blood vessel function. So it boosts the body's production of nitric oxide, which relaxes the arterial lining and allows for more efficient blood flow. Both modes of action would in turn lower blood pressure. It is serious to lower blood pressure. And a lot of people won't pass it. Now I don't do that one. Maybe say, Papa, we can't say something. We go for a major gentle. May I don't say, but as I say, as a mission now for it, we can't some say. If you go University of Ghana, make an ashi one more. A shake one more horse to say, Lego Honey Sabanian. Oko University of Ghana. Baby, blood pressure, a low by a come over for. When I catch you, yes, grass, I intend your blood pressure, come over for. Virginia. Now, horse no my own, so me a gentle, no. Lego horn, one can you be people. You come on, come over for. Yes, slip up. Oh, so you can customer investment, you're best. So the veteran. And someone will come with this. Oh, yeah, yeah, to meet the cancer with Bristol. And we limit. And I have Fabu Biaso Toho, and then free talk. So, we must do your studies in University for the Mekamupa Mostati, Monyamudia this week, next week, but all the horse. And some day I'm going to go back to my head in trouble. When I am in the Mecca, we have it. Home to Mamma Mecca. What yes, me found. Okay, yes, but I was a strap why that's just a serial grano. Why I might be free. Pressure, papa. If they was like a hypertension, a home common, a bushy, try a home, you ever near the hypertension, and no matter a boy, you common the actual. You combine other various vegetables and fruits. Sediano. And a moringa. What is moringa? Okay, yes, moringa. And a juicy. Moringa, obviously, yes, I see vegetables like combined, as soup. And a hair kawante. Watch your cotton. See my big one. And your patch of baby. My repeat, watch your cotton. Evan Capua, where they have it. That's any kind of sense, and what can say, ye did sodium.
salt.
Yeah.
Mako do one so Emma hypertension.
And look at us how kidney account.
Mako do
what do Mako do? That's a Mako de pizza. And I'll pay one person is safe, but Mako did the apparent. Mako prepare through.
I want you to know you're okay.
Yeah, good, you know. Mako de prepare medicine. As I would. What had I say? And the company Mako the emperor. And no, Unya, and the money pretty free. They never prepared any medicine, any medicine. Now that they are bringing no say did more, very dangerous. Yama, you used to a Buama, ye beep, you know, ye beg your drone, no. Ubian only 30 years, Ubian only 40, 50. So, or Korean, as a deformity, and I started them in 9 defensive form. Ye call natural medicine, machine, maybe you saw a bit me a boy. Ama watching a bit. Hypertension draws na area home meneno. Ibeja no kakara. Na wonso a wunya bi so no. Na wonso ankonya bi. Ese na mekeka ne ma bi a. Obi wo hypertension obetimi ya den. Afa so ebeboa no. Niti a wa ne se silver lady. Enuro no ma no no. Ne no MY. I repeat it. Enuro no bebre no. E damage nipa. Eh no kora. Me gidi yes one more dia kotini wo mpomudi na dwuma mu a doctor for na nurse for ni midwife for ni herbalist for gitum se ni padua wono num no bibra sel enye woto do so pe even herba nimpo wo de wadwe se wo akasa be abuse wo body na wo abuse ya no akono nom herba eno so wo so so kase eno so benya mo nyakopon minim die mu ni nyansam na odo wo maye no forest na odi twa ehu hia ye no abode na odi si mu no enuro ni nyina hihye mu na wo mo tie de kan ma adanse ekese ni nyina wo mu de cure hypertension so ka ho o doctor ni kase bi ye friend Keshna HE Keshna ni ho fefefe medical doctor nkasa MD otena se ya na o se drugs here ye de man krofu yi ntam wa ya de bia mom intermediate me medical knowledge na me woni na me betu me boa ye fifi mu ahwe various plants no fruits and vegetables ayare say wo bia mu na ma hwe ya de ahodo e bia betimi asa na ma tworo ho ngoma e de aboa manfo itini ngoma no otudin for vim vigor and vitality life food juice one day na ne emphasis ni wo say wo de sane man be ye juice na wanom etu kinka ngoma na several de wi abaje na hwe nkwada bi nkwada me ensa na one from one parent and about could you leukemia, that is cancer of the blood. Onya ya no ne omde ne fa abefo meka abefo orthodox medicine one akola na odi kan wuya mieni no so benya bi asuru de ma munya ya de eno de enwoma na anka na omunya leukemia eti obi and a director omu parents to this doctor se koko hu doctor we no wo naturally may be or defeat 7 crop from the cancer of the blood. And you didn't call it command. Push your head in a Shankolani picture. Never head in.
Oh wow.
Head in here.
Nice boy and girl. Leukemia arrested with raw juice.
Better. Leukemia arrested with raw juice. Never Colano. I didn't crown. She didn't have the Kitomo.
Bottle.
I had you one case I had in
fresh juice.
Carrot juice, no.
Fresh juice.
And to me juice carrot na.
No, good bottle.
Organic carrot to be an IGM na Ajikrumo abosono. Organic one. Organic carrot. Now your juice no bottle mama mankole no more nom day and night. Omu ya na leukemia na yira.
Ayira.
Na leukemia na yira. That's cancer where cancer and more be more than a hundred. That's one we mean no who almost are no. Woman, you want to tell you. Leukemia, some in the car. Doctor, you should moon on my dear Bakubi and also bet me the aboying. Any vegetables or no? Near you bet me the aboa and I say bet me the conquer hypertension. Unya be a unya sweat me bow. Well, so let's say I dear hodo. It be skin disorders. Or can it say skin disorder no? Over combine carrots, lettuce, spinach, beetroot, cucumber. Over the raw potato juice or one. Now one no. Oba anemia, so be anemic here. Uncover carrot, beet, celery, spinach, parsley.
Abuta.
And water cress.
Sabuta resident. This will be
anemia, anemic. Then Mojano, the HB no, a cough on or chinchamoa. Carrot, beet, celery, spinach, parsley, water cress.
That's American. They be no bridge all with tomato.
There be enemy false okay and faso. We do hypertension and we slow down. We do hypertension now. And I say arthritis, carrot, celery, beet, cucumber. This is a medical doctor.
Medical doctor all can about.
And I watch you on the book. I work it perfectly, seriously. We catch us and come center on Crofobia Jaba. The Americans are say, one can answer the Americans and Crofobia Jaba, and Crofobia Jaba, and I say, send your mobile, Motomo, and Mudia dancing my phone so bad. At a tear Kakara, when they say, one man, Nipani brain when you will be within our Chukas and Sakame. So, the man saying, to near Mamma near flu, Litakura, as winning, Obiba no be a catcher and say, Minya, dear way, or Hinabahona Mekoya, me hotome. And the whole Oka, but the Unia Brevena was Sakana, Yadi and Beko. Yamade, no Bamicasa, a good say, Ubi Pamia, Mr. Moyasana Metre, Metotoniama, Ama. Never from the experiment to be a work, now we've been a my buffraso, who's within a short time, you call by appointment. And more fun, my will be a year. One to reason be a collapse, and I asked her to 20 years. But point I made a bum when they say, we will catch you with a wookie. To walk with us, I become Sakana, I didn't become. Mean prescribable drugs, me more panier. Mean diagnose you about a lab or lab will be any hole. Me here, lab technician, me will lab of war. If you some do me good to me direct to an alcohol, walk away Nadia. When minimum use naturally, I may be, even a me bobosy. And some powerful organic supplements be. Open you could be the dance here. Oh, Italy. About 2 years ago, no, obedient by me fee. No, Nana Yario. Make us a wood yeme. Tika be full or no, also back cabby. Oh, Piano Yamua. Winim. Or try me, I was say, Mammy be Italy. And a way cancer. And will be so missing into Albano. No, my minister baby, I miss you on Yame. To conform a chain baby, Benjamin, no better. I'm panning Sakame. Kakra minimum church never will be bano. Juice a hodo be fight cancer. Vegetables a hodo, fruits a hodo me list mano. And the some powerful supplements with the war no mano. Just another year. Obi about him and was okay me. 2 years ago na me ba ofie. Obeka se maami bia, osoma me free Italy ba wo ho. No wa cancer. Okay. Am sa makai. Na what say was share. Wa recover from cancer na ma wa dia wo mienu. Wautu papa no wa mse uradi nyankofo de ya me peti ni bini nchiranka wedin se mete se me namo ne awaka no so kire obi na ne hoto na ne se wasem no ye nokore so wade no ne se wasem no ye nokore. This is what we want. It will not papa no so anya problem o se ne me nso mi hunu ohene ba de ya ne no hospital in Italy no ma ye run a lab ahodo mana no so ani na bag ma on the way to me we go Italian language na so papa na wana catch us met Italy kas it go fako language no wo translate le sa fabra similarly we na free a doctor for bimo a research on my yedi aboa yen na we do hypertension na wo boss one no kodru hypertension wo se yen combine there ase ho de matake no wo se yen combine there
hypertension, high blood pressure, okay, carrot, cucumber, parsley, spinach, celery, and a beet.
Thank you. Yen combine it. Similarly, the me who says I am away in Druno. Now, some men can move me to be mamma, I am a dear. And in a form of the Bianame Corno. And I'm a power dimachi. I'm a fan coming home, a carrot, a cassa carrot way organic, a corina idea.
Yankasameva,
and a cocumba.
Them do it, I'm young drink to member.
I said, within a short time, we do idea no. Me wa carrot, me wa cucumber, me wa beetroot, me wa lettuce square them in Tom Ancro for me, I'm a dear. Quebec Santem. And I'm a mom co harvest parsley.
Parsley?
As we tear dinner, Becca Jama, Abrofodia.
Can be sent a parsley, the organ.
I'm a cordon, a quiapium, quiet bimu. To be a standard, be a yen of Sequem and Yawamo. The Fena make seed in more. I have full massive power. Obi we cucumber was a cucumber way different. Oh, Sabro for Nimuse. a cure hypertension, no. You see the way they promote it. And now, one also they make sure that they get organic ones. To the organic ones make free US. Pure organic seed, you know. No ma copy me if na me fi say ye. Jamani ma me kodua ba ko pe na amfa. Ba ko pe ba ko di sempo mo friend say. Ba ko ya but is any peti. Cabbage. I made the open anye ye. And the anye ye dia kan gina fa na me say menya wo mo. Afi na me dua ni serious. Because I was guided by this doctor no. Was say high blood pressure, o combine carrot. We don't make me bomb a match. But we old avoca mean yesterday and control of himself. Was over combine cat, cucumber, we pronounce it kakimba, parsley, spinach, and SPINACH, spinach, and a celery, and a beetroot, and that's a beet in Ankasa. Sanamo Midian in a year. We do a carrot, spinach, celery, parsley, cucumber, being organic one, GMO. What combine with Jisua? What do you one glass and upper one glass anymore? But I interest me say, would you say and find your fridge? Okay. Because you find your fridge more. Would you see an hour? And I'm wearing medicinal in the perfume. Because when you break vegetable now, medicinal properties know what to me if you a child see what child is see more than 10 minutes of free mo. And would you see an one? I miss a metuana say, me home Fabia. Now, me declare me home for Jews that day. No, Sunny, I didn't with me what film. So, what film and Casa. Now, this is a doctor, but Nancy research, no actual book, what is it? Would do halitosis. Say, Wamayana, woman, one carboniano. Was say, O combine carrot, celery, spinach, cucumber. Sanya ma we ye agye nkwa no ne ya poison no. Enti me sra obi otie me ne say start prepare land na waka say dua wo de e. Wo organic ones na wo benya mu use internet ne nya sa ne go on the net. What you say na ko hwehwe organic seed companies. Hwehwe na order for credit card order on the bebrel. Ye dua, ye nue dua. Oh, me pesa krofo nya hoden. Ko nipa yare ya, nipa wusu ya. Minya ya yempom de no ebeko yie to tie me am say woni mu internet mu and set internet you find people no ko click organic seed I did ya planting seeds no eno so na wo internet obe hu companies ahodo obi wo Italy bi wo Germany ebi wo London ebi wo he companies no ho let's all credit card ya no mo nkasa so mo nsane mrewa na prepare land for organic manure no here be home me lead akọ ba bia akotobi na fa prepare land asase no na start ye na hade ye na start here sense CD because enu mu na yaresa ne wo enye chemical no we betwam ya tie do obi fu bi beka sem bi wa very interesting ono na neni abri juice no wasitie wase juicing helps reset the body's appetite control by providing the body with high quality nutrition it needs. Juicing is an excellent way, listen, it's an excellent way to supply key nutrients to the body in fresh, raw and natural way. It's an excellent way to supply key nutrients to the body in a fresh, raw and natural way. But one day we are not declare who said Nadia, me may code you soon to flush your system, to flush the liver, to flush the kidney. Nadia we did ya fasting, raw juice fast. Oh, raw juice for now organs and home, ya my liver and home kakra. That is the essence of fasting and raw juicing. The past I my liver no kidney home. To what you declare one day say, and I'm a day I am a home day idea. Me SDA me, and I say Universal Church of Jesus Christ. Me call raw. Now me sorry. And now I am a Sunday, and I say me mosque, me come mosque, and me near the and me call raw. Ne do raw food ne had there. Ne juice ne had it. And no beef we say juicing is an excellent way to supply key nutrients to the body in a fresh, raw, and natural way. Was a diet containing a high percentage of uncooked food are associated with significant weight loss. Oh, am I losing weight? And lowering of blood pressure in weight individuals. But the raw juice no say that it me lower blood pressure. me go to where they are confirm question at the end. Raw juice. Oh, blood pressure now follow the say ya. You combine the carrot, the cucumber, the pasty, the spinach, the celery, the beet. Me could be one of the banks. Or not me really go in one and next lecture. They could you trust shabu. Two gagamo friends say shabu. You could trust shabu. You could trust I did cash crack near Juma. And a bre no land the Juma bank. Now call you free Juma. And you may come with Pankonikum. Namiaka Chalena Nima, we are with Gidia. I only scouts here, Drunya. So when you're the country, now can help. Now says, the Messiah make a show listen to me, Nabenu. Who could refuge in Wahobo say, yes, I'll create my bank. One day, Michefia, Wabrumipum, Memina Samaton. From the Casa of Robert Square, Quatakia, we build a new hancho. Omo bank when you run medical ima omo examinations ema omo and the pressure baby da the doctor catch us baby and the pressure da no he was going to be on drugs for a life. Young guy of about 34 years. I feel na whole push na so feel make wa jedi asana man for be so difo bi abahalo ko ko da so be wa jedi woni hu ancho. And I'm catching some massa. You are going to go vegetarian first. Obeyan. I was saying, I'm going to turn your man away. Now, so was all hope. Go fridge in the Cody. Cody. I've had your hope. Yankaso be with your hope. Who is so bewitched with Mano? Was a senior man, Obia Wachata. See, one for you. Wachata. Aye. Wachata anti bank or did do. No, we face guy. Let's make a queue. Metro. I love so that the last day over, you have become vegetarian. We cook missing the company and none of the church and Yama want to talk. Yabraham Tadi, Ubahabinia, Mobile. With the new Koya, Quanti part of vegetarian restaurant where Waki. Say, Hana be do lunch. I have very light to her. After exercise, every day I exercise work with Juma. Put a solid 30 minutes be. Men no drugs or no. The catching is straight. So I won't call this one no had here. Who ya vanish? BP Naira. Ayera. The body near come body the actual bank or some could be no Casama Boa. Ayera. So Brian catcher said he was going to be on drugs for life. And Yama, why any beneath the American do singing them the one man, Manija Namore. She said, well, yes, face a pet. That's what kind of new year, Demaquano. We are my body. I'm a crowd. Tell you, was a diet containing a high percentage of uncooked food are associated with significant weight loss and lowering of blood pressure. Lowering of blood pressure and lower blood pressure in overweight individuals. Even any problem you overweight, our blood pressure go with juice. One man who treat the juicing. The had here. What two as no say? Cooking can cause the loss of up to 97% of water-soluble vitamins, especially B and vitamin B and C, and up to 40% of fat-soluble vitamins. Since uncooked food such as juice contain more vitamins and other nutrients, they are more satisfying to the body. The result is reduced calorie intake and thus weight loss in obese individuals. That will help them to reduce their blood pressure. But in Myanmar, you did key your blood pressure. Don't expect a doctor to tell you this and can you maho. Yanum de yam fifimu. Ubenya daji aye. On but we man into me the make can you. Edman aye ni tumu fifi ahemache. Where they could use vegetable. Obsa banajo. It was a blood pressure na kawoso. But you benya daji aye no. And I'm say yen fine she bag bu nkwadwuma. We ya na wo no. And try and see. Who hypertension believe better if you not start na ka de. That is what people get healing at my center. Many medical doctor. Medical terms without me to be pronounced. Technically to mean yes, mediane say so hypertension. Natural treatment here, they from Ubina what it me. Who diabetes, who call it say ya beto. Who you say ya beto. Technically it is minimum. The numerous also diabetes. And I know baby I'm do me buafa. I'll be ya what it is. Santia Bako. Very interesting one. Cinnamon. Now, cinnamon also be careful. Because confine ya near man, no, say cinnamon. They lie, baby boy. Bebre lie.
Hey, and who lives cinnamon? How do you know that this is organic cinnamon?
One with the boo. I said, Nipano, or don't you move in Faswana no more pay. So, in the name of health shops, they can't do any organic health shop. In the name of health shop, oh, need no credit, but more. My boss business, some more health shop or no. We need no credit. Why? Do you credit? The fact you see, I'm telling you, make us a baby. If I don't know, Jimatum, think I make you to Tonya horrible center, Homan Crawford, Alameboa, Mia de Bigu, number time reduce to Case, a organic ondo. I'll be the last person to do that. I will never sell to somebody what I will not eat. Timato war drum 5 million. Me tell you later, me test who say a fake me could share in a gui. Will be in a chance of me found for Papa Nibinamentong. Oh, yeah. I won't sell to people what I will not eat. The road, no, I didn't want you to say woman in the core, you know, because all found was some money in the casa. You share to go. What do you say? Bakuna money better the coin. No, the coin, no, say they could black or fool. By any day, who could deal to a castle in a papa mansion if what they call Naminamo. So, but the point in this cinnamon and a coffee we buy it. Go for a young near my lady, cinnamon and a cinnamon tea and a cinnamon dish. What are you talking? The original one, organic one. And also, how many know any Santina come say. As you can phone businessman beer. I just used to waste businessman beer. Omono face Macassa Monia man, Comuniscomuno, Yantoa, Jomo Pemia Cumino. You were near man crop for a pattern of Wintanesi canning coho. Now, Winya, Ukrabrame more advert, import organic near my neighborhood is a memoir in Yesicana. I don't ask it in Sabaton poison Yaman to any Bacassaman Croft agent, in Confuriase. Yeah, it is a double says a Benya Sanama way. Dear, our court, Abrochilla, Omodia, Omatia, Sabrina True. Two come have food shop, Mamma Tanta Buchimi Casameboa, have food shops. Said Yama way you are. And an honorable bay. Anabu can Japan Bay of American Bay was sending papa. Was sending papa. When you say full photocopy. Was sending papa. Said no, Mamma Majuma, a tuning. Me office one or my dear Ibiman name. Umaria de Maneme. Organic sauce. Sauce, yeah, more the petit Yanisi. Okay. Now, any more sauce and I'm Sabro fee, we are passing a minute. That is something from my had here. Pure organic, and any moment they make sure say organic. To the sauce, we put two vegetables, no dear. Also, go America or motor, what had that the back of my name, Oba Santa Me Page at Reservoir. It's more business, no. Can they come from an inch? I'm finding Crawford one. Supermarkets be a investment boutique and now we are creative chef for organic products. Almost a message in the cup or creative chef from the organic Nema. And Tony may a fake because Sinamo Yakan and also can the agent Quano. Plan a hodo every Ufu Plebra and the never money the Sinamo Peteso. I didn't hear. It's a healing power and healing power need hypertension. Was it to reverse hypertension? To reverse hypertension, you need to reduce weight and your level of cholesterol. Okay. To reverse hypertension, you need to reduce weight and your level of cholesterol. Affect your continuation. Was it 2 tablespoons of honey? 2 tablespoons of honey. We are talking about pure honey. And 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. Mix. In 6 ounces of tea, when given to a cholesterol patient, reduces the level of cholesterol in the body. I know just what the tea teaspoon now makes now what's it in you. You are using it throughout the day. Such as here, and average you know issue for the next day. It will say, 2 tablespoons of the honey and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder mixed with 16 ounces of tea. We are talking about green tea. When given to a cholesterol patient, reduces the level of cholesterol in the body. Every morning, every morning on an empty stomach, half an hour before breakfast, and again at night before sleeping, drink honey and cinnamon powder boiled in 1 cup water. If taken regularly, it reduces the weight of even the most obese person. This is scientifically proven, Silver Lady. Scientifically proven. Cinnamon powder, organic one. Also, boy, be all hypertension because it reduces cholesterol, it reduces weight. It's not reduce weight. One can say, Yanko Pop, say, I didn't carry so near, no, drugs, synthetic drugs. We over catch that was say, natural medicine, and you know, one no orthodox need that. Which is a cinnamon powder. It was to reverse hypertension. You need to reduce weight and your level of cholesterol. They say 2 tablespoons of honey and 3 teaspoons of cinnamon powder mixed in 6 ounces of tea, green tea, when given to a cholesterol patient, reduces the level of cholesterol in the body. So every morning on an empty stomach, half an hour before breakfast, and sana ubedi wanopedi and 30 minutes and again at night before you go to bed, drink honey and cinnamon powder boiled in 1 cup water. If taken irregularly, it reduces the weight of even the most obese person. This is scientifically proven. Oh, Niama, Ebua Obia or hypertension, and Niama Ebua Obia or hypertension. But I could be credited, very interesting. Mankind, Otamu Yanson. Very interesting, pa Japan forward, Dibi Omoya. Osrano Pound Hurunim, no Bonsu. When you say what healing powers. One authority be sure one or the better and idea on practice with Japan. The authority it is popular in Japan today to drink water immediately after waking up every morning. Scientific texts have proven its value. But sorry, who don't know about 1 glass. Then you talk to their bosu. Was it for all this for all the serious diseases as well as modern disease illness? The water treatment have been found successful by a Japanese medical society as 100% cure for the flow diseases, headache, body ache, heart systems, fast heartbeat, menstrual disorders, throat disease, excess fatness, arthritis, gastritis, cancer, and high blood pressure.
So now you know without a year.
Now, officer, you go power no nipa. A bill pay and fast 20 years, 1 year creating idea, near creating Roni Kunkrofo, the Yanin chair. Yin chair. Yananam, they saw this. Oman Cosco, Oman internet. Omo hit 120, 130, and then in the Abano. Almost started you. 31, 32, 41, 42.
What a shock.
Yes. And so the American a scientifically proven your boy identity also no high blood pressure or the water. As was a method of it's a method of was every morning when you wake up from sleep, before you wash your face and your mouth or brush your teeth, drink 4 glasses of water without stopping until you have drank all of it. Do not eat or drink anything for 45 minutes. No bonso 4 glasses. It is a powerful healing property. By the way, and Kofu being Kahon. Kofu and Kahu, your no petition. Asan Wakoda. A petition Nanka says Zunu Kokanwa. The best one crack on one sono. To more alcohol. Or Bruno da Koda one Kahon. And I want now every morning. When if one son come more jot. Already when we want poison that contaminated and polluted. And this phone count no one moment or petition. One card of Koyako Bayaka. Nimuwa Okoda, Otu Pisti, Yaki was saying Sana Okoda, a Drubacon. Every morning when you wake up from sleep and before you wash your face, as never when you mouth or brush your teeth, drink 4 glasses of water without stopping. Until you have drank all of it. 4 glasses. Yes. Oh yes, sir. Do not eat or drink anything for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, you may eat or drink as normal. The above method of treatment will cure diseases of the sick, and others can enjoy a healthy life. Others can enjoy a healthy life. Even if you are sick, a bit me boy he live. Me person make mistake, me boy ya dey be any days we use abeko. Ya dey be 30 days, e be 180 days, e be 10 days, but on air. And go for every school to nipa. Oh. Japan for one was science change Japan for. One new science change Japan for. Me yen hwe me hu ade we. Me yen nyane anopa me sorry fi kete so apɛ ma bonsu na me tambo tutua ma no a. And I'm always fit. Me new share da be na what is my yare.
I do have a so do miss him now.
And yeah, I'm Munanka, or move from me. Only blue can almost share me. Almost so I'm not yet being come on to moi. I feel you cruise and near. And
God being so good.
Yeah, no,
so they
what could be a book in my back to be you.
And with the eye, as I'm now walking on, pressure on the eye, has it got to do with high blood pressure? I didn't carry diabetes in our course. Well, one at here, researchers in Sweden, young who you knew. Well, young who you knew. Young no, let's say I have one. Said to you, what's this? Who did you? So who did you? Yeah. Now, one chair, 1 hour. Now, no, so I was said, you are best. I are. Who did he? Yes. Now, one chair, 1 hour. Yes. Now, no, monsieur. Yes. Obayare, and my yadi papa. Your friend is saying various juices, enzymes, and a bed digested the arena. Who knows so good as I know I said no. It either say, Ubanimuso 10 minutes or 5 minutes before you eat. We will be saying, I mean, we didn't treat me. Yes, it's in a China and Japanese, no. Or better organic tea, and I'm medicinal tea. No, I used in China. A Janini China, no, at Tamuanum. A Pina Diareno. No more Lumusu and Casa. Was avoid diluting your stomach juice by drinking water whilst you are eating. Drink water whilst drinking water whilst eating dilutes the juice which various organs of our body secrete and pour out into the food in our stomach. These juices in their correct concentration help us effectively digest the food and absorbing the nutrients that our body needs. Of course, if you keep diluting these natural juices, they become less able in doing the duties you expect from them. And then denying your body of adequate levels of nutrients that it needs for keeping you in an excellent health. With the exception of man, almost all animals practice this rule by instinct. These animals give themselves some hours before taking their meal, and when they go to drink water. Yani papa, ocha kontomwa no abozuo. Wahwe nkwan no abozuo. Most will fly at the Cose. Now we jump from a bonnet because there's a word I use as a putrefaction. A pro yam. It's who did ya? Yanumusuo. Ocha 1 hour, and 1 musuo. Opa practice never the sober tire. Begin to practice it. It is said, your friend is saying, oh, Bedidia, before 5 minutes to say, Ubedanata, no, the Canusu. Sebechuntino, no apelequidibi. They're organic green tea. Organic, your friend is say recipe. Organic, cranberry tea. Organic. Me percent for people have money to look for Sanya money and one businessman on channel music can call and fancy this nation. They just say you're poison and grow body. Omu channel music can call. One of the channel. It was a way you see. If you are not no one, me start a party side in a medane. And let me deviate after 3 hours coming refuse and menumu. After 3 hours coming refuse, it means suffer constipation. No, so why who did dear? Who suffer constipation? Or Bema also suffer constipation, and my bear meant me also. Who suffer sexual weakness? Constipation is one of the major causes of sexual weakness. What you say? And your man getting kitty way. And a civility, you conquer hypertension, but also high fiber diet. High fiber diet. And we are near fiber content high. Like eat a high fiber diet of vegetables, fruits and nuts and whole grains. A diet high in fiber. A diet high in fiber is an excellent way to control or reverse blood pressure. So what? A diet which is high in fiber is an excellent way to control or reverse blood pressure. Your meals should be based around fresh vegetables, soap products, like organic soap products, whole grains like oat, beans, nut, and seed. High fiber oat. It was
a lot of high fiber ultraviolet actually also good for cardiovascular disorders. What's one with them said? Was it eat plenty of vegetables like green leafy vegetables, eat grains like brown rice and millet, eat banana, watermelon, and apples, and eat sweet potato. Nina a high fiber diet. And your brodoni is samuni and a fiber be anim. They are so bruno who are sunny their kakoko, and you waste. No, and you waste. Or the kakoko, I know a son is what to 5 and not 2 ago. And you waste what's said, Yaneno. And move it imported rice that you call perfume rice, and you waste. And you waste. And yeah, more, and you waste. Fiber be anim. Too much meat be anim. Oh. And you think about one month for a moment, me a conquer hypertension as a very deep bosso. And I'm a bosso. No, that's one. I mean, come back on count. Sir, the next one, olive leaf extract. Oko Mecca, Oko Saudi, Omonfa olive leaf and Yagro. Suddenly, you olive oil woman. Oh, you know olive oil woman. I don't know olive oil medicinal because olive leaf is powerful. A medicinal, it's no way, no so powerful, but you Macoboy and Sudint no, a tear for Antias says olive oil and Fenkaja.
You found olive oil. What did Kaja was I? You find you Diane. You find you Diane. Say I'm fine Kaja, I am fine. Yet the but you find Kaja. Don't worry, yet Diane, but you find Kaja, a Kaja was Sano. It may be the Bayamadiana, which some me salad in India, which some vegetables, me dandelion, me cucumber, me lettuce, enemy jane, enemy tomato, me chicken, no sheer extra virgin olive oil, organic 1 tablespoon of petas, no, the noise salad dressers. So in a felano, me the idea, no. And I'm a Timmy stew, no, me didn't so chim and a beer. Now, John, no, me show olive oil, no, a crap petaso. Some the idea. And the crew is olive oil, ne cousin, and a garlic, which dija. Garlic, Udija Capawas Seno. Olive oil is Udija Capawas, you didn't know beer, the Nibri olive. Was it? Pharmacologists at the University of Grenada discovered that extract from the olive leaf can promote relaxation of the arterial walls. In addition to preventing heart disease, the finding also suggests that olive leaf extract may be pivotal in fighting hypertension. The fighting hypertension being olive leaf extract. The extract being in the oil. I am Fankaja. It will extra virgin olive oil. Now to trust salad no shit tablespoon the peteso. Now what the cost and Fabia Metroa. Said we did breakfast. Yeah. Which you try vegetable on the olive with peteso. It's a young fan cheese. What are the children? You find cheese soup. Now you have me cook myself. No, I thought say. Me cook myself, I am a costuano. Rasta Mabi. What's why I never proper vegetarian diet. With a proper Mohan or their PC breakfast. Hello, fellow, so, but their PC. Rastama, who breakfast in the Hello, fellow, so, but their PC. Kuwasu body or Catholic Katia. I'll go at you by Barry. Now, when you see when you are say because first two lava. Students want to where they move, you see when you see believe. Well, we still have a popo. We shall say, I want a lady say also, or the only one lecture, so when you are really waste. Also, I know about Gulivase. So you're about 4 Oh, Rastaman, what you remember how we go at Rastaman breakfast. No, as I go for only why the coaches to this hope to be regularly. I want to declare the other wanted. Or better for 3 minutes. I mean, what is it? What did she? When you saw I had the credit. Then I'm so only why. Oh, you're fun, Kaja. Because of my Tamugono. Oba be fan of say ma mini kakra na come say afi na oni kakra because me I say we asle come TV FM o time so ja rasta pesi eli olive oil. See what I did here, Mammy repeat and menko. From us, also pharmacologists at the University of Grenada discovered that extract from the olive leaf can promote relaxation of the arterial walls. In addition to preventing heart disease, the findings also suggest that olive leaf extract may be pivotal in fighting hypertension, that is high blood pressure. Other research supports the notion that olive leaf extract reduces high blood pressure as well as stabilizes blood sugar levels. It will cause study almost how live near many grow. Tina, Abrofunu make sure that they get the virgin one. Virgin one in a chemical be frame. To me, some caso being called olive oil, so called casope, extra virgin olive oil, and emphasize on organic one. Medicine, a civil lady, and your money dorsal, and your wing in our hawk, and 1 minute, and I'm a hypertensive, and I'm a family, and I'm a family. Who know now all final? Men can't show us a kohaya men nom. Obi busa me say in 2 patches here no more do kwanam so you no more do the same situation no ya when it becomes your friend say brofu we kura brofu bi evil necessity evil necessity say ade ne ye I no go akwa we disciple a central fee. A central fee, no man. Who Jana Wajasa, the Ochin so watching. It's a 2 baby. Oh, as a sofa druno. Ubi cost of Brossois, over Fadia Brennas, because the Orthodox medicine, a Brennas, you went to us here. So, what the Brennas said, the Uncle will kidney. No more, not Sunny Manasodia. What make us who any serious? The one can be stabilized. No, okay. This is what we do. There was some man known for my life for pa, or which you can some new BP 30 years. One minute 30 years old, your Nasi has started here. I found a Nasi, Umiana Tum. Now, as a Benkushan and Anna, so the Nancy for more. I see no feel like 7 Kubisha. What no do not say. Ubia no more, Uncle, any kidney feeling. When you out of wisdom, one man never break, never quite come back kind of one after the other. The Antimi and Yukrana, Yahuan Yakopon, when you run next week now. Finalizing hypertension, dear. Okay. Nothing Matthias diabetes. Okay. And we need a dear who do a amount for Krumha. Okay. And damage amount for. To me, Boha. No matter what was Siquanum. Nothing in it, me and Pomdinish, yesterday, I said, you know, she is senior. I had some rebel. What's some is my saw rebel? I don't treat them when you could pass a set. What 1 minute and then you may be a barrier.